Ene ya make us agent ya bo lorry fare no ya de se aba efomo na adrobafo bi ya Adom Kasee ni wo edi nkomo no won susu se de fango bo no etie aba fom no ene ka ho bi enti ne lorry fare no so etumi aba fom ho nsam Adom TV Kasee etwaso.
Everything was engineered by the politicians. Then it is a step in the right direction. But the sustainability is what matters. If they will be able to, hold on to it and then take pragmatic measures in order to, sustain it.
While many of the commuters here are so happy that transport fares are going down, many of the transport operators themselves are not happy with the proposed reduction of 10%.
That 10%, they have to do more than that. That 10%, we don't see anything of that 10%. That 10% didn't do anything. Because now the economy is there, it's too hard.
It's too small, at least 40% or 30%.
We are using engine oil, brake food, spare parts, ties, and other things. So if they say we should reduce it by 10%, they must make sure that those things which I mentioned too should go down by 10%.
We are going to lose totally. It came for first time that we should reduce fare. We reduce it to a certain level. We didn't hear anything about foodstuffs and many other things. Today you are telling us that there is another reduction, so reduce lorry fare.
While commuters and transport operators have divided opinion on the decrease of transport fares in the country, business owners here at Abosokai say they feel no positive impact at all on the exchange rate and other indices in the business they do.
No, I've not seen any positive about it. This one we buy it at 250, but now it's 500 to 550.
Oh, I'm not feeling any impact because the prices of my products is still going up day by day. So I don't think the dollar has come down. It's still right.
Premtobre Kasee no so na Public Utilities Regulatory Commission PURC penifo se electricity ne natural gas on ne one more edibia to so kakra 18.36% e wo be bia Adom TV edeba.
Afi ni fa toso mi no sakira ya wo ye efa nyinamahoden buo ho nam so asa ntumu aba PURC mpanifo echiremu a otu sa na moyi e de hwese obeboa na afei obetumi ama nyinamahoden agina so pene na omanfo anya bi edi wonjuma se ne be ya omanfo asetena mu enunwuma hodo ho nkwakire won ene bi ye e de hwe kwan obefa so obetoto buo yi mu ebi eye oman sikasem a odi toto America dollar no a na akoye bibia wo ho mere bi a nche ye kura ebesen ye afei inflation so ebe kan ho bi Mframagyan so a wode beboa ma enyinamahoden nsem afa ne tuma pefra boa ekosoro nyina no eka ho bi osan ekiremu se odu sa na moyi e de hwese wonmo a wode enyinamahoden mo manfo edidi dwuma no ebetumi enya sika botene ede aboa won dwumadie se ne ebe ya womo enkoboka no nam sa akwanya no so ede enyinamahoden mo manfo se wonfa ni won dwuma na emmoa enyi wo hawa ya na wo famu se wo benya enyinamahoden ato na wo benya bi wo fie ni wonwuma mu no nso afiri ho.